are playing Roblox Blood Escape. And before you guys go down shooting hate in the comments, yes, I understand I'm a girl, but it's a whole situation, and I don't feel like explaining it.
Hard.
So apparently,
come on, let's do hard. Let's make a fool of ourselves.
Yeah, sure. So we just did easy off.
Easy, and we failed.
We just did it off camera, the easy part, and I died on the second round or the third.
I died on the first one.
So yeah.
That's it for sure. I was trying to save people's butts.
And I just mentioned like we should make a video about this. So
yeah.
Look how fly I look though.
For some reason, yeah, we look fly. And I think she looks better. I think she looks better than me.
Which way is the thingy? Oh, it's open. It's open. Ah! Oh.
You're dead? Oh.
No, I thought I died. We made it, Mimi. We made it. Box arrived.
This is more easier than I thought. Like, I thought this was gonna be
Jump, idiot.
super hard.
Okay, I think I just jumped in the wrong area.
Yes, this is hard. What?
Okay, I think I made it.
But this is kind of hard, but at the same time, it's kind of easy. It's kind of like...
Yeah, it's not that difficult. Like, the water moves up really quick, though. That's the only thing. Mimi, go! If we die together. I'm dead!
You get that guest! You go get that guest!
You died. Now you stuck there.
If you were to die, at least...
Wow.
Just because I got the guess, if you were to die, at least die on the button. Like, so then I could go and proceed, like...
Okay, so we can go to easy. It doesn't look like anybody's in easy yet.
Yeah, because there's 5 people. Oh, intermission, let's do hard again. It was pretty easy.
I'm not going to do that.
I'm going.
Hard, are you about to leave?
Bye, yes.
No! Well, if you want to see her perspective, make sure to check out hers.
Yeah. And make sure to like Obby. Because I'm super funny.
Well, I'm here bored waiting for this to go. Oh Lord, I got the no shirt block.
I'm already about to die.
Look, Mimi, look.
I'm dead as Zoid.
Mimi, look who I got. I got the Ethan Marcher 12, the block guy. No offense to anybody that has blocks in Minecraft. I'm just saying, why did he have to have no shirt? This is nudity, and I do not like it. I feel very uncomfortable.
No shirt guy? Oh,
Put
ew.
a shirt
That's disgusting.
on. I
Could see your
feel
testicles.
very
Uncomfortable.
comfortable.
Comfortable.
And then, oh yeah, when we first started, you could see it says, Sister Indian, I'm scared. Sister will be okay. Hopefully. Wait.
And this guy said, what the hell?
And then she said, ah! I'm now scared. And then I said, ah! And then I said, put a shirt on. I feel very uncomfortable. And Unicorn Sparkle said, lol. I think everybody does. Haha. Lol.
That's
not us. Oh, yes, it is. I'm a friend with that one girl because she was nice. Where is she? There's something Unicorn Sparkles her.
Unicorn Sparkles. It's a unicorn.
Unicorn Sparkles.
Me too. I'm a
Sparkle Unicorn.
Never mind. It's starting.
Which way do we go?
You don't need to be my friend that badly. It's not letting me move. I'm having technical difficulties. Oh, there.
Hurry! Okay, good. You made it. I'm over here screaming into my freaking thing. I almost fell.
I might die. I'm gonna die.
Why would you die?
You're gonna hurt their eardrums.
I know, I just keep...
Oh my gosh. Please.
This video is just nothing but screaming.
You're gonna rewatch the video and she's like, like just feel them screaming. You're just like, just screaming your heart out.
Oh my god. Okay. Ooh, 3 to 4 players on hard. Hello, people. I'm here. No, I don't want to go hard. No, I don't want to... Oh, exit lift. Okay. Click again to exit. I don't want to come back here, obviously. Oh my god. It says exiting. Oh, thank the Lord. Okay.
No! Okay. You just let me jump. Jump was a void. As you can see, I'm really bad at this game, and
You were the one who told us we should play it.
The only reason I said that...
Maybe let's do medium, because we haven't done medium.
Yeah, But as you can see, I'm really mad because of what just happened. And plus, in the corner it says 1-1. And this whole time I've been playing. And plus, like I've been playing. I know I played this game like several times, and like I've almost made it. And I'm like, what do I do? And it's like if people are like, I made it.
Wait,
like,
what was our other account? I think I had 2 other Roblox accounts. One was named Giant Sam.
Other Roblox accounts, like I have boy accounts, like where I'm just weirdos.
I had a Giant Sam something, and then the other one I forgot what it was. We're going.
I had one that I remember that I actually used, which was Modern Mythical Queen, and it was so dumb and it was so ugly. I was literally purple. I was
no. That's all this time I'm dead. Deathly on you. What are you guys doing? You guys are retarded. Go. I'm sorry.
Get that! I'm not gonna get that. I'm not getting that. I'm not getting that. Why is everyone so retarded right now?
I'm dead, and I just saw my head get snatched off my body.
Get up! Get up, you retarded! You retarded! I can't make a video of this. It's like I go.
Oh, it says it's full. Like, no, I want to go in.
No, someone come out. I'm victorious, so I get to come in.
Dude, just go to medium. Intermission.
Dummies. That's why we're going first, and we're gonna survive longer than you could ever survive.
They're going first, I think.
Whatever, but they're still gonna die first. See?
That's us.
Oh, I really need to be myself in the videos more often.
I get so
and I'm sorry that I didn't mention earlier, but my first video of Minecraft, it deleted for some reason, but I will.
No!
No!
Can I climb up this in time?
Yes. You can. You can do it. You can do it.
Move, guest guy! This guest does not move.
Get down. Yes! Get down.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Life Soul is amazing.
Life Soul is a thing.
Unicorn sparkle.
I'm sorry that we keep on being weirdos and say like life souls and stuff words that don't even exist. But like
that's us.
That's us. So either you watch our videos or you hate, and you're not.
Oh my God! How do we even get up there?
Not even hate. Like you just like.
Mimi, wait! I'm coming.
Where are you?
You see me?
Yes. Okay, there. I could go through.
Yeah. Oh God. Okay.
Just go.
I'm trying. No!
Oh my gosh, this is the farthest I've ever went.
To be honest, I'm scared. Okay, why is the water already coming up? Okay. I'm confused. Oh, I found it. Okay. Cool.
Stuff pops up. Oh, here.
I feel very retarded with myself right now. I'm just going in separate places of where we're not supposed to go. Okay. I made it. Lamia, wait up for me. Wait up for your family. Oh. I almost died.
Wait, is everything not pressed?
What? No, I can't throw away.
No, I'm not capable of this. I'm not capable of dying.
Woo, Mimi won.
No. God, come here because I'm the only one who matters here.
Oh, it's a final room. Can I spectate you guys?
Yes, we can spectate.
What do we play? Medium? Yeah, medium.
You guys. Oh, okay, that was good. Okay, we did it.
Good job.
Yes, I won. I'm victorious.
Oh, okay, calm down.
I
I can't move.
Legend bonus? Huh? I'm many buttons. And what I mean by many, I mean by one. So
This time I have to win, guys. Because if she wins, I have to.
Oh, I'm at medium. No.
Wait. Oh, you already went? Game is ready. I'm going.
Start.
No, I don't want to go to hard. Exit. Exit. No, get out. Get me out. Get me out. Oh, I left. He's going by himself. I'm sorry. It says 8 players need to escape. 7 to 8 players.
No.
Okay.
Lily.
Okay.
I'm gonna type some stuff.
No, you're not. Because remember.
You.
Let me know.
Oh yeah, we're making a video.
Okay, you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. You already know all that stuff. Make sure to hit the bell next to the. Make sure to hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you guys know when we upload a video. And yeah, see you guys later. And bye.